Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. Please give us your full attention. Our crew is delighted to present 𝐫𝐤𝐠𝐡𝐭𝐬, the travel pillow which will revolutionize your in-flight comfort experience. You will find a comfort instructions card inside the seat pocket in front of you. It explains in detail the technical benefits of this extraordinary travel pillow. Please note that when you fly, tossing and turning to get to sleep, fighting to mark your armrest territory, and putting your head on your unknown neighbor's shoulder are now strictly prohibited thanks to 𝐫𝐤𝐠𝐡𝐭𝐬. Join the elite circle of those who can finally sleep on a plane using 𝐫𝐤𝐠𝐡𝐭𝐬. Facing down, from the side, back to front, supporting your chin or against a window, and also in any other means of transportation, but always seated. Grab the travel pillow from your hand luggage. 𝐫𝐤𝐠𝐡𝐭𝐬, when deflated, is highly practical, being barely bigger than a smartphone and just as light. Take a deep breath to inflate the pillow with only 5 puffs. Remarkably, it deflates in less than 2 seconds thanks to its large opening valve. For maximum comfort, place the pillow on the tray table, relax the shoulders, and rest the head on top. You will be sound asleep in no time.
Introducing 𝐫𝐞𝐬𝐬 Travel Umbrella, the world's first ultra-slim umbrella that's performance tested up to 55 miles per hour in heavy winds. With 𝐫𝐞𝐬𝐬, you no longer have to deal with bulky, windproof umbrellas or compact umbrellas that cannot stand up to the wind. Durability tested 5,000 times, the 𝐫𝐞𝐬𝐬 umbrella boasts a unique frame system superior to most other designs, including aluminum umbrellas. The auto-open button on the 𝐫𝐞𝐬𝐬 Travel Umbrella allows the canopy to open in less than 1 second. A valuable feature when you're caught in an unexpected downpour. And unlike most slim-style umbrellas, 𝐫𝐞𝐬𝐬 Travel Umbrella also auto-closes in less than a second with just the push of a button. Its unique flex design will prevent the ribs and frame from breaking, even if high winds do invert the canopy. The 𝐫𝐞𝐬𝐬 Ultra Slim Travel Umbrella is small enough to carry with you and fits conveniently into almost any location.
This is 𝐫𝐤 Robot R1, a fully autonomous smart suitcase that follows its user while avoiding any obstacles in its path. The 𝐫𝐤 system is the brains of the R1, in charge of sensing the environment, planning reasonable paths, and avoiding obstacles, all while following its user. The sensing ability of the 𝐫𝐤 system is made possible by multi-sensor fusion technology, which is mainly based on a set of sonars, a depth sensor 𝐫𝐤𝐠𝐻, and cliff detect sensors that allow R1 to avoid stairs and other dangerous drop-offs. A customized bracelet will be provided with each R1. The 𝐫𝐤 system ensures that R1 rolls along within an arm's length distance to the bracelet on the user at all times. A pair of active wheel units with a retractable design similar to aircraft landing gears propels the suitcase forward when both wheel units deploy. The active wheel units will retract as soon as you touch the handle, switching R1 from autonomous mode into manual mode. R1 follows at a maximum speed of 4.5 miles per hour, sufficient for most daily needs. The wheel units are powerful enough to tackle any and all kinds of terrain. 𝐫𝐤 Smart Intelligent Lock will automatically lock itself to ensure your valuables remain safe. A simple double tap on your bracelet will activate the Find Me function, and R1 will intelligently plan a route to make its way back to you. With the 𝐫𝐤 Smart Intelligent Lock, proximity alarm, and embedded GPS, your belongings are guaranteed to be safe. The 𝐫𝐤 Smart Intelligent Lock also integrates a TSA lock and a traditional combination lock, which ensures the luggage lock is TSA approved and can function properly even without the power supply. The proximity alarm will notify you if your luggage leaves your area. If you accidentally lose or misplace your luggage, don't worry. With the onboard GPS, you can easily find its location on your app. R1 uses the 96.5 watt-hour portable power bank as its power source. You can easily charge devices directly from the power bank, or with integrated USB ports for on-the-go charging if the power bank is plugged into the suitcase. The power bank is easily removable, making airport security checks a breeze. The front storage space allows for one-click access to remove electronics during airport security checkpoints without having to repack your bag, while the spacious main compartment is perfect for the compact storage of other travel necessities. Wherever you go, whatever you do, R1 will be with you every step of the way.
That was her favourite shirt. But it's not just the surprise that awaits them when they open their suitcase, it's the frustration at what's out there in the market. Travel bottles that are uninspiring, unreliable, leaky, and impossible to label. No matter how organised you try to be, bags and bags of products can be difficult to keep track of. Introducing TIC Travel Bottles, smart bottles for life's travels. They're an elegant, intuitive and simple solution to travelling with skin and shower products. With 10 smart sections, the skin bottle lets you easily organise 10 different face and skincare products all in one place. Imagine that! Your whole skincare regime in the palm of your hand. Just press for what you need. The easy-to-remove containers can be filled with your favourite essential daily skincare products. And with clear measurement markings, you can see when you're running low. The shower bottle holds up to 2 times the capacity of conventional shower sets. It has 3 sections for shampoo, conditioner and body wash, and any other bath or shower essentials. Lightweight and compact, both bottles are easy to tuck into a suitcase, sports bag or overnight bag. Perfect for when travelling or heading to the gym. You can stick to your skincare regime and bring your favourite skin and shower products with you wherever you go. It's never been easier to fit all of your skin and shower care products into your luggage. You can even mix and match interior compartments depending on what you need. The skin and shower bottles are safe and durable,